Ano ang magiging pagkain at hapunan ng mga batang katutubo dito sa bundok? Tara, umpisa na po natin magpakain. Ano pang hinihintay? Happy birthday!
Your heart's in your hand, feel it beating. It's by fate you decide, by the choices you make. Take care what you do, be aware where you go. Your heart is in your hand. Give your heart to the Lord, He'll take care of it. All your fears and tears, your emotions, your cares. In His hand you are sure you can count on His word. Trust your heart to the Lord.
Happy birthday po, Ate Lucy. Salamat po sa pagkain. Kami, mga katutubo.
Happy birthday po, Ate Lucy. Salamat po pinakain.
Happy birthday po. Salamat po sa pagkain.
Salamat po sa Panginoon sa buhay ni Mama Mercy. Pinusod kami mga katutubo.